Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Josephine.
And I'm Joseph. We're so happy you're here.
Today we will learn English for cars and driving. We will learn car parts, action verbs, and directions. Very useful for daily life.
If you enjoy our lessons, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps our podcast grow. Thank you.
Let's start with basic car parts. First, just listen.
Steering wheel. You use it to turn the car. Seat belt. Safety belt you wear. Engine. The part that makes the car work. Trunk. The back storage area. Hood. The front cover of the engine. Windshield. The front glass. Gas pedal. You press it to go faster. Brake pedal. You press it to slow down.
Great listening. Now let's discuss the words with simple examples.
Steering wheel. I hold the steering wheel with two hands. Seatbelt. I always wear my seatbelt. It is safe.
Engine. The engine is loud. Trunk. I put my bags in the trunk.
Hood. The hood is open. Windshield. The windshield is clean.
Gas pedal. Press the gas pedal to go. Brake pedal. Press the brake pedal to stop.
Now let's listen again while we repeat the list slowly.
Steering wheel. Seat belt. Engine. Trunk. Hood. Windshield. Gas pedal. Brake pedal.
Now let's learn common driving verbs. First, listen. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Stop. Start the car. Park. Reverse. Slow down.
Great job listening. Now let's talk about each verb with examples. Turn left. Turn left at the market. Turn right. Turn right at the school.
Go straight. Go straight for 2 minutes. Stop. Stop at the red light.
Start the car. I start the car in the morning. Park. I park near my house.
Reverse. Reverse slowly. Slow down. Slow down, please.
Now let's listen again slowly. Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. Stop. Start the car. Park. Reverse. Slow down.
Now let's practice asking for and giving directions. First, listen. Person A. Excuse me, where's the bus station? Person B. Go straight, then turn right.
Great. Now you, the listener, will repeat after us. Repeat. Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Repeat. Go straight, then turn right.
Good job. Let's try another one. Listen. How do I get to the bank?
Turn left and go straight.
Now you repeat after Josephine. How do I get to the bank?
Turn left and go straight.
Excellent. You're doing great. Here are some simple and useful phrases you may hear.
Please slow down. Can you give me a ride? My car is broken. I need gas. The traffic is bad. We are almost there.
Here is a relatable example. My quick breakfast is a banana, so I eat it in the car when I'm late.
Let's say the phrases again slowly.
Today we learned car parts, driving verbs, directions, and useful phrases.
Great work today. You are improving your English step by step. Listen again anytime you want more practice.
Before we end, here is our community question.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us your answer in the comments. We love reading them. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next episode.